Hello and welcome to this video. In today's tutorial we are going to look at the sup element and the sub element, or the SUP element and the SUB element. Now the sup element stands for superscript and the sub element stands for subscript. We are going to look at all this, and superscript actually puts the figure above the other and subscript puts the figure below the other. Subscript is the direct opposite of superscript. Okay, let's get started here with our code. Now in this code we want to use the sup element to put this th above the 15, right? So to do that we are going to introduce our sup element just below, just next to it, behind the text, and we introduce the sup element. Okay, the sup element. Okay, and then we come just immediately after it and we introduce we close the sub, okay, or the SUP. We close the SUP, okay, yeah, and then we save. When we go to refresh our page, remember this is our page and this is what we have, and we refresh, you see that now th has been superscripted using the SUP element or the sup element, yeah, and that one is done. Well, we go to the next. We want to make sure that this 2 is below H and O, and that will be possible when you use the sub element, okay? Now sub element, we are going to come in between H and 2 because that's where we want it to be, and we introduce our sub element. So we say sub element, and then we come just immediately after 2 because we only want 2 to be subscripted. So we come and then we do the same and then we close. Okay, so we are closing SUB. Okay, so on doing that you go ahead and then save. Okay, after saving and when you come to your to check it out on your browser, you realize that now 2 has now gone below the bar or the line. So this is how we do subscript, the superscript and the SUB or the subscript. Okay, so basically that is it for today, and we are gonna keep it as short as that. Thank you for watching. Let's catch up in the next video. Bye bye.